We're going to learn about how we can combine files, especially PDF files we are talking about over here. And we're going to learn how to do that in our web browser, specifically on our desktop. You can use your mobile device to do that. So I'm going to teach you two approaches, okay? The first approach and then the second approach is two different web apps. If you find the first one to be confusing, you can decide to use the second one. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go straight to our video tutorial. Alright, so for us to merge these PDF files, make sure that you have your two PDF files ready. Over here, you see my two PDF files. I've named them 1 and then 2. Okay, so you see my two PDF file 1 and then 2. So I'm going to try to open my PDF files to show you what I actually have. So there's also I use to open PDF files on my PC is Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so I've opened it and I want to show you something. Over here, you see there's combined files. So Adobe has a built-in feature for you to combine files, but then this feature is only present in the premium apps. Take note. So if you do not have a premium Adobe Acrobat software, you'll be unable to combine these files on your PC. Okay, so let's close that and let's head straight to our web browser. So over here, I'm going to use Google Chrome for combining my PDF files. So I'm going to search something in the search bar. Okay, so you're going to search something. So what we're going to search is combine files with Adobe. Combine files with Adobe. So the search results that come. So straight away you click on the first search results that come. How to merge PDF files and split a PDF easily. Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so it's expected that this is the first search outcome that comes on your machine. So when you see this on your machine, you just go ahead and just click on it. It's going to head you straight to the Adobe Acrobat website. So this is Adobe Acrobat website. So you're going to scroll down to the point where you see you can also merge PDF tools in Acrobat Online Services. So you want to click on that. Merge PDFs. It's a hyperlink. Okay, it's a text, but there's a link embedded in it. So you want to click on that. So you're just going to click on merge PDFs, and then it's going to take you to another page where you can actually merge your PDF files. Okay, so now when it takes you to this page, the first thing you're going to do is that here it is written that you're supposed to drag and drop PDFs to merge them. Okay, but then you have two options actually over here. You can choose to drag and drop your PDF files here, or you can just choose to click in this area and then it's supposed to appear for you to select your file. So I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to teach you how we drag and then drop. So I click in that area, so you see the pop-up that appears. Now I'm going to search for my two files that I want to combine. I remember I put them in documents. So I scroll down, work, and then I select the two files that I want to combine. Take note, if you want to select the two files that you want to combine, what you're going to do is that you're going to select the two files in the order in which you want to combine them. So now I've named them in such a way that I want the second file to follow the first file. Okay, so I'm going to select my first file first, and then I'll go ahead to select the second file. Okay, and I just press on enter key, or I click on open down there. But then let me show you the second approach. The second approach is that you just open your file manager. That's the drag and drop approach. You select your two files and then you drag them into over here. Okay, so when you drag them over here, automatically this page is supposed to load to send you to the page that combines. Okay, that combines your two PDFs. So we do that and then we wait whilst my internet is quite slow, but then you wait for a while whilst your PDF files combine together. So in the background we don't see it happening, but then our PDF files are combining and the page is loading, as we can see. So we wait a while whilst our pages load. Okay, so now we see that it's going to take us straight over there. Take note, as I said, you need a strong internet connection if you want your page to load very fast. Okay, so we see here that my page is gradually loading. So right now you have to wait for your two files to load. So we're going to sit down for a while and wait as our two files load for us. So they're going to be merged, as I said. So our two files are going to load and are going to appear yet. But take note, we haven't merged them yet. So you see, my first file has appeared. There are PDFs are being uploaded to the cloud. Okay. So now you see, there's cloud and then there's merge. You're going to click on the merge button over here. So when you click on merge, Adobe automatically has to merge the two files that you uploaded, okay, in the order in which it is arranged. So you want to click on merge, okay. So with your mouse pointer, you left click on merge, and then this page also loads. So now we see that Adobe is telling us that they are combining our files, our two PDF files for us, okay, into one. So now our files have been merged. Our PDF file is ready. Now we see a download button over there. Now what we see loading over here is our merged PDF. There's a download button, as I said. You see there's a download button. Okay. So there's a the measure is at this point, the measure is complete. You could just go ahead and click. But then let's scroll down to something. It's trying to load our merged PDF file for us. If your network is very strong, you get to see your merged PDF. They'll read the whole file, but then you can just go ahead and click on the download button and you're good to go. Okay, these are some other things you can do with Acrobat. So you can just go ahead and click on download, as I said, and you're good to go. But then I kind of want to share this file with some others. Okay, I want to share the link to them. So there is an option here. Okay, so yes, I want to click on that option, and it says I should sign in to share my file for free. Okay, so I don't have an account, so let me create a free account for now. So I'm going to click on that option where it says that create a free account. Okay, I've clicked on it, so it's loading in the background. So now the create account page, the sign up page is going to appear for me to sign up into Adobe Acrobat. As it's downloading, you see over here, it's telling me to create an account. So I always like to use my Google account for such stuff. Okay, you're telling me my account is that's okay. But then I don't have an account. Okay, now you see it is loading for us. I'm going to sign in with my Google account, and then when I just click on my Google account, automatically everything loads for me. You can go ahead and sign in with your email. So now the main page for Adobe Acrobat opens for me. So that's their home page. So it has welcomed me to their page, their web page. Okay, that's their web app page. So over here, I have the option to download over here, and then I also have the option to copy the link to the file. Okay, so let me just click on download, and then the file is going to download directly on my machine. But then, as I said, if you want to copy the link to the file, you can just copy it, and then anybody that taps on the link can download the file. It's a very nice feature that you can look at. Okay, so now you can just click on it. So I click on my download, and then soon the file will start downloading. Okay, so you see down there that the file has started to download on my machine. So the file is going to come onto my machine for me to actually see the file, whether it has actually been combined or not. So we wait a while, depending on how fast your network is, as the file is being downloaded. Okay, as it's downloaded, just click on it, and then it's going to open for us. So I'm opening it with my Adobe Acrobat software on my PC. So I scroll down and I actually see that yes, my files have been combined. The two files that I had have been successfully combined. Okay, so that is how you basically combine files with Adobe Acrobat. So now I'm going to teach you an additional web app that you can use to combine PDFs. We call it Smallpdf. Okay, so you remember how we did the Google search? So you're going to do the Google search again, combine files with Smallpdf. So when you combine files, so you search that in your web browser, and then this website, you're supposed to see this website on the first link that pops up. So you're going to use this also merge your files if you feel like the Adobe is too complex for you. So over here, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on choose files. Okay, so you click on choose files, and then like we did in Adobe Web App, there's going to be a pop-up that comes and that allows you to select the files that you want to merge or you want to combine together. Okay, so now we click on that and then the pop-up comes. So you select it in the order in which you want to combine them. You click on open, you click on your enter key, and then automatically it uploads your files to the web app, to the cloud, and then it does the merger for you. Okay, so we see that our files have been uploaded to the cloud for them to be merged for us on this web app. So now they have been uploaded. Okay, so now there's a button down there. It says merge PDF. It wants you to see the order. So you have an option to also add more, but if you don't want to add more, let's go straight ahead to merge the PDFs together. So we go ahead and we click on merge PDF. So we click on that and then a merger happens. When the merger happens, then there's a download button over there. We click on the download button and then straight away we expect that the files download onto our machine. Okay, so this is also another great way for you to merge files that you want to put together. Thank you.